Meanwhile, in the city of Pines, the City Health Services of Baguio City clarified the issue on a 32-year-old man who died because of the Clade 2 variant of Mpox. According to their surveillance protocol, the man who died recently is not connected to the 28-year-old man who did recover from the Mpox, and he is the only and first recorded case of Mpox in Baguio City. That's why they did not consider it and did not include the man who died in their record of Mpox cases.
Meron taga Baguio namatay sa Mpox, pero hindi niya nakuha yung Mpox niya dito sa Baguio. It just so happened na resident siya ng Baguio. Doon niya nakuha sa ibang lugar. Dito pa rin sa Pilipinas. We will continue to advocate for the yung health practices natin, health and sanitation practices natin, particularly yung ginawa natin during the COVID-19 pandemic.